This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Heller. Rare 1-bedroom floor plan available at desirable Kings Point in Tamarac. This corner unit includes vaulted ceilings, open kitchen, large walk-in closet, washer/dryer, air conditioner unit installed around 2019, and a large Florida room with oversized windows. Unit comes furnished. Take the opportunity to remodel the unit to your own taste as it needs some TLC.Great news. There is a lift in this building. Enjoy the luxury amenities and activities that Kings Point has to offer, including many social clubs, tennis, pickleball, fitness center, indoor and outdoors pools, courtesy buses, and the fabulous Palace Theater. Minutes to Sawgrass Expessway. Near many area restaurants and shopping. This is a verified 55+ community. For more information, review the details below.